2010,
Oh my
and
goodness.
my husband was almost 97, and
Really?
he's on his walker, and he just fell dead. So he's been up there in Eastgate ever since.
Really? Well, the good thing is at least it was a long time until you moved. Right.
And I've got my space up there ready for me. My name is on it.
Oh, really? So you were, okay.
My name's on one, and I hate that it's so far away because somebody's going to have to go.
Sure.
I'm sorry about that. It's very
There's no
inconvenient.
reason why we can't get there.
It's very inconvenient.
Well, why'd you... There's my friend.
There you are. How you doing?
Are we going to flash these sometime?
You can.
Now, we have a third one coming.
Here.
And I do one because, you know,
Here.
for these occasions I put on my husband.
Sure.
He was World War II.
I just put two out.